Since inventing the first detectable cable tie nearly 20 years ago, ABB Installation Products has relentlessly focused on food and beverage industry innovation. That legacy continues today as ABB unveils an industry-first approach to specifying products best suited for established zones within food and beverage facilities. This new food and beverage zone system helps reduce overall costs by providing optimal levels of protection where it's needed and cost savings where it's not. Starting with the process washdown zone, you'll find a need for hygienic installation, ingress and corrosion protection, and condensation mitigation. Look for ratings like UL4X and IP69 and materials that hold up to chemicals and condensation. ABB's extensive offerings within the liquid-tight, stainless steel, and antibacterial spaces are engineered to excel in this zone. Examples include T&B fittings, laser-etched conduit bodies, liquid-tight systems, Type A blue conduit and stainless steel fittings, Adaptiflex antimicrobial liquid-tight conduit, stainless steel strut with antimicrobial offsets, wide and extreme temp flexible conduit. Next, adjacent to the washdown area, you have the process wet zone. This zone also includes the outer walls and any metal framing. Here, you must account for corrosion, condensation, and a lesser degree of ingress protection. A UL4 4X rating is still required, but high-pressure washdowns and caustic chemicals are less likely to be a challenge. As a result, material selection is less critical, absent caustic or acidic cleaners. Stainless steel 304, aluminum, and non-metallics are ideal for this zone. Examples include OCal PVC-coated conduit, tie-wrap tie-genic cable ties, PMA conduit with stainless or nylon fittings, and stainless P-clip, T&B liquid-tight systems Type A orange conduit and blue non-metallic fittings, T&B fittings stainless steel dome drain. Outside the process zone, we have the non-processing zone, including utilities, storage, rendering, and waste management areas. Here is where cost savings can really build up, as these areas generally don't require protection against washdown or chemical exposure during cleaning. That said, be sure to maintain UL1 to UL3R ratings where required. Moving away from stainless steel for more affordable solutions like aluminum and galvanized steel will keep you on budget without sacrificing reliability. Opportunities for cost savings in this zone include general-purpose flexible conduit with galvanized steel core, galvanized steel metal framing, aluminum conduit body UL version. Finally, common areas are where savings can accumulate through use of our value-centric product lines. Comprised of break rooms, restrooms, labs, and office administrative spaces, they require less stringent ratings and protection since they are away from food contact surfaces. Here we recommend Steel City boxes, Carlon Cerakote floor boxes, Red Dot weatherproof boxes and covers. Curious how to deploy our zone system in your food and beverage facility? Start by scheduling a free, confidential preventative maintenance walkthrough. A specially trained ABB Sales Application Engineer will be happy to inspect your facility and provide a detailed report complete with any potential issues they find. In addition, they will recommend solutions that can help reduce your risk of costly recalls while introducing significant cost savings through our food and beverage zone system. For more information, please visit our food and beverage microsite or reach out to your local ABB sales representative.